Hey everyone, I'm Lucas and this is 1194 Video. I hope you become a member of my family on YouTube by hitting that subscribe button, where you'll see things on my channel such as truck builds, car builds, even car shows. Okay, well here we are. Here's our Gen 2 Ford Lightning wheels. We're going to go ahead and take these off and stick them on this truck and stick these old crappy rims that are all flat on this thing and then park this way over there until I decide to do something with it. 100. And those of you who have already subscribed, y'all probably are familiar with this truck. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you're new to the channel and new to this video, subscribe and hit the notification bell. And if you have any questions or comments, just leave them in the comment section. But when I drug this truck over here with my wife's QX80, if you've already seen the channel, you saw where I did the Lightning replica 94 F150. Well, I put that truck online for sale and nobody's really giving me any bites on the truck, so I decided, you know what, I'm just going to go ahead and take those Lightning wheels off and stick them on this truck. Look at all that dirt. This is going to make this truck go up in value. And to match these old school patina wheels, we have old school patina lug nuts. Cool. Okay, well, I'm definitely man enough to admit when I'm wrong in something, and those Lightning wheels was not a good idea on a 65 Ford truck. They looked horrible. I don't care what anybody says, they look terrible on this truck. Now, they do look good on the newer models, but this body style, absolutely not. So I'm going to go ahead and put these 1990 model Ford F-150 wheels on here. I think they look great on the truck. I've seen other people at the F100 shows that have these on their truck. They look good on theirs, so it's good enough for you guys. It's good enough for me. So here we have it. Go ahead and go on the inside of this thing, let you see it. A lot of work to be done, but yeah, that there is a locked up 302 Ford engine. I've worked on it, put diesel in it, try to get it unstuck. We may do an episode on will it run, but you let me know in the comment section. Okay guys, well that's going to be it. We're sticking these wheels on this 65 and actually pulling it out. This truck's been sitting over there for about a year now, and I've thought, you know, if I leave it over there, I'm not going to do nothing with it, but if I pull it out and it's sitting in front of me, then it'll kind of motivate me to do something. So I like the wheels on the truck. The engine's locked up, 302. It's not original. Somebody sat it down in there, didn't even wire it. So you tell me in the comment section. Should I do an episode on will it run? Go through the trouble on seeing if we can get this thing started up and running, or should I just say devil with it and go ahead and stick that fuel injection 5.0 down in here and put a Mustang upper end on it? But that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, and comment section if you have any questions about anything you see in this video or any others. And go ahead and check out some of my other playlists. I have the complete section of 1194 Video. I've got the GTO. I've got the Mustang playlist, F100 shows. You name it, I got it. And you can also check out the other builds of my 66 that I have on there, which I've sold last year, and future builds just like this one right here. But I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.